A is for
Almond Joy. Almond Joy.
B is for
Burger. Burger.
C is for
Chocolate. Chocolate.
D is for
Donuts. Donuts.
E is for
Egg. Egg.
F is for
French fries. French fries.
G is for
Gulab jamun. Gulab jamun.
H is for
Hot dog. Hot dog.
I is for
Ice cream. Ice cream.
J is for
Jelly bean. Jelly bean.
K is for
Key lime pie. Key lime pie.
L is for
Lollipop. Lollipop.
M is for
Macaroons. Macaroons.
N is for
Noodles. Noodles.
O is for
Omelette. Omelette.
P is for
Pizza. Pizza.
Q is for
Quesadilla. Quesadilla.
R is for
Roasted chicken. Roasted chicken.
S is for
Sandwich. Sandwich.
T is for
Tater tots. Tater tots.
U is for
Utah scone. Utah scone.
V is for
Vanilla wafers. Vanilla wafers.
W is for
Waffles. Waffles.
X is for
Xmas cake. Xmas cake.
Y is for
Yorkshire pudding. Yorkshire pudding.
Z is for
Zippo.